Yeah, hi Scott, it's Mark, FMAV. Just let you know I've done your laser for your jukebox. Basically what I've done is I just changed the laser on there. It's in really good condition, to be honest with you. There's hardly anywhere in the machine at all. It does look quite old from the outside, but the cogs and bits, it's not had any heavy duty done on it. So yeah, all's good on it. But basically I've done it all for you, checked it. I'll start it up for you now. Get some noise out of it. Let's have a look. I'll just turn the volume up there so you can hear it. But all working, mate. So you'll be happy with that, I reckon. Get that back in your system. I did check it, obviously, before I'd done it. Just to make sure that it was, obviously, the laser issue. Let's just turn it there. Yeah, so, you know, I mean, forward tracks, go up the tracks there. So, yeah, it's all... Yeah, I've had it on test quite a lot today. I've been listening to this along with my other one, and I just have them on run most of the day. So you know, I mean, it's had a good half a day out of it. So yeah, I'll get it in the post for you tomorrow, mate. You'll have 6 month warranty on that, parts and labour. You've got 6 months, so you know any problems that occur, mate, we do it free of charge. All we ask is you get the laser to us, but we haven't had any back within 6 months, so we don't want any back now. But alright, Scott, thanks very much, mate. I'll post this up and I'll get this back to you tomorrow. Alright, mate. Cheers.